Hello bachcho, the question is, one of the following is not a method of contraception. Which one? Means there are 4 methods given. We have to choose the one which is not related to the contraception. And the word contraception means birth control. It is opposite to conception. So the birth control methods. First option given is condom. So condom is a method of contraception. The condom is a sheath or a covering made of the latex or of the plastic, and it is used by a male generally, or there are female condoms also available which are known as femidoms. So the condoms are used by a male to cover his penis, which is the male copulatory organ, during sexual intercourse. So during sexual intercourse, a male covers his penis with a covering which is called the condom, and it is used to prevent the entry of semen into female's reproductive tract. So if the semen is not being transported into the female's reproductive tract, then there are no chances of fertilization, and also condoms prevent the transmission of STDs. So to prevent STDs and to prevent the meeting of sperm and egg, the condoms are used, and this method is known as the barrier method, where there is a barrier in the meeting of sperm and egg. So this is obviously a contraceptive device. The second is pills of a combination of oxytocin and vasopressin. So this is very wrong, because the pills or the oral pills contain the hormones. The pills which are used for contraception, they contain the hormones, either progesterone alone, the synthetic version of progesterone, or either the combination of estrogen and progesterone. These two hormones, progesterone and estrogen, they decrease the level of FSH and LH, and this is how they prevent ovulation and pregnancy. But here it is given that prevention of birth control is by oxytocin and vasopressin. So oxytocin is the childbirth hormone. It is released in the female's body during the parturition period or during the labor pain. And vasopressin or ADH or anti-diuretic hormone, it is used to concentrate the urine, to increase the reabsorption of water from the nephron. So it is no how related with the pregnancy or contraception, and oxytocin is also not responsible for the contraception, and the pills contain the estrogen and progesterone, not the oxytocin and vasopressin. So this is very wrong. Then the third option is Lippes loop. So Lippes loop is an intrauterine device, and this is a non-medicated IUD. IUD means intrauterine device. It is a method of contraception where a loop-like structure which is made of metal containing barium. So it is introduced into the female's reproductive tract, and this increases the number of phagocytotic cells which engulf the sperms. So engulfing means death rate, mortality of sperms is increased. So this is responsible for the contraception. Then tubectomy. So tubectomy is the method of birth control which is performed in females, where tomy means cutting. So in tubectomy, the fallopian tube, a part of fallopian tube, both the fallopian tube is cut and tied. So there is no meeting of sperm and eggs, means sperm and egg now cannot be transported at the same site because their pathway is blocked. Now this is the method of birth control, and this is the permanent method of birth control because its reversibility chances are very nil. So this one is true, means it is a method of contraception. So out of these 4, the method which is not used in contraception is option B. So it is our right answer. I hope this explanation is